Hey guys, it's Cody with Homestead, and today I'm just going to be showing you a really quick maintenance tip for your pole saw. We have a STIHL Roll-O-Matic Mini here, and STIHL makes it super easy to add oil to your saws. So what we're going to do is right here on the side, you can see this little lever. This little lever is our little latch that keeps our oil reservoir locked. We know it's our oil reservoir because of this little logo right here. All right, so we're just gonna pop this guy off, boom, and we're gonna add some chain oil. And you know, I got this hyper tough bar and chain oil here, and I like to use that stuff, even whatever works. So a good rule of thumb for your chain oil is that every time you run a tank of gas through your saw, you want to be adding a reservoir full of oil, right? And we already had some in there, but we're just gonna put that back in place and pop it. And that's it. That's as easy as it is. I know the saw doesn't have a blade on it and it's really freaking dirty, but we're gonna be taking care of that here in the next video. I just wanted to show you something super simple that a lot of people get intimidated by, and but you know, something that can be done in like less than 5 minutes. But anyways, guys, if you found the video helpful, drop that like and subscribe. I hope you guys are all staying warm out there. We're supposed to get some snow here in coastal Virginia, so looking forward to that. All right, guys. Anyways, this has been Cody with Homestead out here. Hey, guys. So hope that video helped you out and hope you're staying warm out there. It is cold out there. But anyways, we're coming to you with the top comments. So first off, we have Chelsea Holderman 9065. She says, the best homestead animal, chickens. We eat a ton of eggs, easiest animals to keep and maintain, and they are pretty entertaining. That is the absolute truth. I get so much enjoyment out of just watching the chickens, and the eggs are nice to boot. Speaking of which, we went to Walmart last night, and there was 0 eggs in the entirety of that Walmart. Pretty wild. So get your little feathered friends and start getting those eggs. So Chelsea is officially entered into the giveaway with that response. Our next comment comes from ODB319. This is my buddy Derek. He says, best homestead animal, war panda or a battle otter. That's me and Derek have known each other for many years, and that was our unofficial call signs for each other when we were in Iraq and Afghanistan together. He says, for real though, probably chickens or meat rabbits. I agree. Chickens are amazing, and meat rabbits, for those that don't know, are incredibly easy to take care of. You can literally cut your grass with a bagger lawnmower, and you can have an entire meal for your meat rabbits. So, yeah, but with that comment, Derek is also entered in the giveaway. So, but yeah, with those 2 comments, we have 2 people to enter into our giveaway, so they have a 50% chance of winning. So be sure you guys comment on the video quickly so that you can get entered into the giveaway, because we are drawing the winner Wednesday when I get home from work. But anyways, guys, this has been Cody with Homestead out here.